my words haven't reached them. I think we'd better go.
Welcome, brothers and sisters. Welcome.
Everybody here? We're staying in Detroit. Oh, present. Ah, Sarah. There you are. Just as I promised, 1 dozen sinners. Sorry I didn't have time to clean them up.
Won't everyone sit down?
Sit down, all of you.
I would like to welcome you all to the Save a Soul mission.
Now, just a minute. Look, you guys, this is a mission, not Roseland. So I suggest you do not take up with any unpleasantness. And since I'm required to leave for points west tonight, I'm appointing Nate in Detroit, Major Domo in my place. Anyone who doesn't conduct themselves according to Hoyle, answer to Sky Matheson personally. And that means in person.
What a remarkable young man.
You all hear that? Okay, Brother Abernathy, your desk.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are honored tonight. This meeting will be conducted by the head of our organization, General Matilda Cartwright.
Thank you. It is wonderful to see our mission graced by the presence of so many evil-looking sinners. Now, who would like to start the ball rolling by giving testimony? Who would like to testify? What's testimony?
Benny, tell them what a bum you are.
I ain't no school pigeon.
Oh, come, brothers and sisters. I know it is difficult, but let one of you give testimony to the sin that is in their heart.
Benny.
I was a bad guy and a gambler, but I ain't gonna do it no more. I thank you.
There. Now, don't you feel better?
I'm all right.
Anybody else?
Big Julie. Come on, Big Julie.
I used to be bad when I was a kid. But if I gone straight, so I can prove my record. 33 arrests, no convictions.
Anybody else?
Harry the horse.
Oh no.
Oh yeah, Harry, get up there.
Like when Sky Matheson rolled us against our souls.
I beg your pardon?
Sky Matheson. He rolled us $1,000 against our souls.
I don't think I understand.
I do, General. He means that the only reason they're here is because Mr. Masterson won them in a dice game.
How wonderful! This whole meeting is a result of gambling. It shows how good can come out of evil. Sergeant Sarah, you've done remarkable work.
Thank you.
Oh. Hey, I finished my testimony yet. My sin is that when Sky rolled us against our souls, I wish I would win $1,000 instead of having to come here. But now that I'm here, I still wish it.
Next.
We will now hear testimony from Brother Nicely Johnson. Brother Nicely Johnson.
Get up there, you dumb water buffalo.
Well, you see, it happened to me kind of funny. Like a dream. Yeah, that's it, a dream.
Well, tell us in your own words.
I dreamed last night I got on the boat to heaven, and by some chance found a bottle in my fist, and there I stood, and I hollered someone paid me, but the passengers were bound to resist. For the people all said, sit down, you're rocking the boat. People all said, sit down, you're rocking the boat. And the devil will drag you under by the shovel, hell of a jacket, out, sit down, you're rocking the boat. I sailed away on that little boat to heaven, and by some chance found a bottle in my fist, and there I stood, nicely passing out the but the passengers were bound to resist. For the people all said, beware, you're on a heavy trip. People all said, beware, beware your scuttle ship. And the devil will drag you under by the fancy tie around your wicked throat. Sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down, you're rocking the boat. And as I laughed at those passengers to heaven, a great big wave came and washed me overboard, and there I stood, and I hollered, someone save me. That's the moment I woke up. Thank the Lord. And I said to myself, sit down, you're rocking the boat. Said to myself, sit down, you're rocking the boat. The devil will drag you under, but the soul's so heavy you never float. Sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down, you're rocking the boat. Sit down, you're rocking, sit down, sit down, sit down, you're rocking the boat. Sit down, you're rocking, sit down, sit down, sit down, you're rocking the boat.
Pleasure to see you here. Perhaps you come to testify.
I'll do my testifying in court, where I will say that you both were on a full crap game last night, in this mission. Miss Sarah, you saw them as they were coming out. Weren't these the bones?
I never saw them before in my life.
There's a right broad.
Now, if you would excuse me, Lieutenant Brannigan, we'd like to continue with our meeting.
I've never seen so many crapshooters spend so much time in a mission. I guess this is what they mean by holy rollers.
I have a confession to make. We did shoot crap here last night, and we'll all feel really sorry, don't we, fellas?
Yeah.
I'm really sorry.
And I also did another thing. I made a bet with a certain guy that he couldn't take a certain doll on a trip. Now, this didn't cause any harm because I won the bet, but...
You won the bet?
Yeah, the guy said he didn't take her on a trip. Boy, I feel